So I've cleaned up that spark arrestor. You can see now, you can see through that a lot more clearly than you could before, so it's much cleaner. Now we'll put him back in. So the next step, we've got to jiggle it back in there. Oops, dropped. Try again. This could take a little while. And we'll sort of slid him up through and see if we can tip him over now. Oh, dropped again. It's going to take a while. We'll be back. Okay, little fella's in place, and now we just have to tighten up those two screws. Hopefully it won't drop him. So one on each side. And we are done.